In today's kitchenware market, finding the perfect blend of functionality, style, and health-conscious materials can be challenging. This GreenLife Soft Grip 16-piece cookware set, a game-changer for anyone who values ease of use, environmental responsibility, and vibrant aesthetics in their cooking arsenal. This comprehensive review will delve deep into what makes this cookware set stand out, offering you an informed perspective on why it could be the perfect fit for your kitchen. Overview of the GreenLife Soft Grip 16-piece cookware set. This set includes everything a home cook or budding chef could dream of. 4-inch mini frying pan, perfect for single-serve eggs or pancakes. 7-inch and 9.5-inch frying pans, ideal for sautéing vegetables, frying proteins, or preparing sauces. 1-quart and 2-quart saucepans with lids, great for soups, sauces, and small meal preparations. 5-quart stock pot with lid, designed for hearty stews, pasta, or larger family meals. 2.5-quart sauté pan with lid, a versatile tool for one-pan meals. 7-inch stainless steel steamer, healthy steaming of veggies and seafood. 4 kitchen utensils, ensuring you have the right tools to pair with the non-stick surfaces. Key features and benefits. Number 1. Healthy ceramic non-stick coating. The cookware features GreenLife's proprietary Thermalon ceramic non-stick coating. Unlike traditional non-stick materials, Thermalon is free from harmful toxins such as PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. This ensures your meals remain safe, even at high cooking temperatures. Benefit: no more worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your food during cooking. Number 2. Eco-friendly construction. Each piece in this cookware set is crafted with a minimum of 65% recycled aluminum, significantly reducing its carbon footprint. Additionally, the curing process for the non-stick coating generates 60% less CO2 emissions compared to traditional methods. Benefit: you're not just cooking, you're contributing to a healthier planet. Number 3. User-friendly design. The cookware's soft grip handles are ergonomically designed to stay cool, providing comfort and control during cooking. The wobble-free bases enhance stability and ensure even heat distribution, minimizing hot spots. Benefit: cooking becomes safer, more efficient, and enjoyable. Number 4. Durability and versatility. This set is oven-safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all stovetops, except induction. The durable glass lids allow for easy monitoring of your meals without heat loss. Benefit: a reliable partner for all your cooking adventures. Number 5. Effortless cleaning. The ceramic non-stick surface ensures that food slides right off, making cleanup a breeze. All pieces are dishwasher safe, though hand washing is recommended for longevity. Benefit: spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your meals. Why choose the GreenLife Soft Grip cookware set? For health-conscious individuals, the toxin-free non-stick coating ensures that you can cook your favorite meals without compromising your health. For eco-conscious buyers, made with recycled materials and sustainable manufacturing practices, this set aligns with green living values. For home cooks and professionals alike, its versatility, durable design, and vibrant aesthetics make it suitable for any kitchen, regardless of skill level. Tips for optimal use: avoid metal utensils. Use wooden or silicone utensils to preserve the non-stick coating. Low to medium heat. Ceramic coatings work best with low to medium heat, ensuring longevity. Hand washing. Although dishwasher safe, hand washing with mild detergent extends the cookware's life. Conclusion: this GreenLife Soft Grip 16-piece cookware set is a true blend of style, performance, and eco-conscious design. Its toxin-free ceramic non-stick coating ensures healthier cooking, while the use of recycled materials reflects a commitment to sustainability. With ergonomic soft grip handles, wobble-free bases, and vibrant colors, this cookware set not only meets your kitchen needs, but also elevates your cooking experience. Whether you're a home cook or a seasoned chef, this set offers the perfect balance of functionality and aesthetics. If you're ready to upgrade your kitchen with cookware that's as healthy as it is stylish, this is the set for you. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and make your purchase today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.